Hello and welcome to another session with Accelerate. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about how to use a few text definers such as upper and lower. In another video we'll talk about how to use proper and tree. Okay, so sometimes you get, for instance, names that are written this way here. Okay, but you actually want them in a particular manner. Okay, so look at the this name in cell C19, right? You can see that the Y and the A are in caps while the others are in lowercase. Okay, but I mean, sometimes your documents do not require you to have um differing lettering, okay, on your document. So how do we sort this out? For upper means make everything that I have as text to be in caps, to be in uppercase, while lower says make everything I have as text to be in lowercase, okay, or small letters, as some people refer to it as. So if we want to make cell C19 if we want to write cell C19 in all caps, what we would do is here in D19 to say equals upper, click this is the text we want to change into uppercase. We close the bracket, we hit our enter, and it transforms it to uppercase. Okay, for lowercase we do the same thing, equal to lower, this is the same text we want here, close it, and it changes everything to lowercase. Okay, so we're going to be talking about proper in a different video. So proper is the function that helps you capitalize only the first letters of each word. Okay, so let's do that for the remaining names. We can remember we said we can start with plus. Okay, formula plus upper, open bracket, this should be, then same here, lower. So remember we can start our formulas or functions with equal to or plus, so let's not forget that bit. Okay, and that's it. Now this will not put into consideration the spaces that we have here. Okay, it will not do that. So we're going to be talking about how to remove those spaces in a different video. You can just drag this down here. I mean, it just automatically does that for you. Same here, and voila, you have it. So now you've learned how to use upper and lower to get your text into the look and feel that you want. I hope you've been able to learn something today. Please follow us on all our social media platforms. We're on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Just search for Accelerate and you will see us right there. The links to all our social media handles will be dropped below this video, and you can follow us on all our platforms. We drop tips and tricks on how to use Microsoft Excel. And we hope that you join us in our next session where we bring you something quite enlightening. And yeah, thank you. Cheers.